I'm Toby, and this is my dad and my brother Connor. We are doing the tin dendrite, I think. Experiment. Yes, experiment. We are gonna use this wire as well as this one, positive and negative. This battery holder and petri dish and the tray underneath in case we spill.
Okay. Chemicals we're going to need. We're going to use tin chloride dihydrate and sodium hydrogen sulfate. Okay. And we're going to use a little bit of dish soap because we need to break up the surface tension a little bit later on, but that's not actually part of the solution. Okay. So first things first, we're going to add the sodium hydrogen sulfate to the tin chloride. So go ahead and take the lid off that. We're going to put red into green. Okay. Not sure if it completely matters, but it might. So we're going to do it the way they suggest. Okay, so just go ahead and add the entire bottle. You'll notice that the tin chloride bottle didn't have a. Is it not coming out?
It's not coming
out. Yeah. Didn't have one of these on it. Oh, that looks like it stopped up. So
that's interesting. Oh.
All right then. Well, we're gonna do it.
Wait.
The other way. That one's not stopped up. So there.
Good.
Now we're just gonna. Normally, in a good science experiment, you wouldn't repurpose the top like we're going to, but we're going to. So there you go. Okay, so we're gonna just get it all in there.
All of it.
Oh, every last drop.
There it goes.
Good to the last drop. Pop that puppy off. You can put this on there.
Yeah, I'll shake it.
Okay, well let me put this on real tight because this has to be real tight.
Yeah, you do.
You don't want any leakage because, as you'll discover later in life, leakage is bad. Okay, go ahead, little boy. Shake it like crazy.
For how long?
I don't know. Give it a good shake. Give it like a 30-second. Shake it hard. Shake it hard.
Make sure to use the red cap too.
Yeah, the red cap we use because it tells us that we've changed it. It does not contain what is on the label anymore. It is now a mix of something else. Okay, we're going to call that good. So now what we're going to do, go ahead and take the top off. I'm going to pour some in there. Now they don't want us to completely cover the bottom. So, okay, go ahead, pour some in. We'll just, oh, you know what, that looks like that's going to do pretty well anyway. And as you can tell by the way it's beating up like that, there's plenty of surface tension keeping all those molecules together. If the surface tension is broken, it will be more flat. As it is, it all wants to kind of hold together. So that is what we're going to use the liquid dish soap for.
I think that's
enough. Just give it like a couple of drops, okay?
2 drops.
2 drops.
Yeah, it literally says exactly 2 drops.
Then literally, let's use exactly 2 drops. You got it? Childproof. So Connor's going to add 2 drops of liquid dish soap to see if we can break up some of that surface tension. Go ahead, Connor. Yeah, inside the, there you go. One. Oh, you see that? That's good. See how that how the surface tension just gave and the whole I don't know, what do you call that?
Bubble.
Yeah, the bubble thing just kind of split. That was what happens when the surface tension releases. Now we could get into, why that is and the charges on everything, but this is a kid's thing. So we're just gonna go in and then I'm gonna give that just a little shake because it looks like there's a whole bunch in there. Okay, so now it's spread out pretty well. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add a little bit of electric charge. So now what this is gonna do, I believe, it's gonna be attracted to the negative side, but don't quote me on that. And it's basically gonna pull some of those tin particles or molecules over to there, and then as it does, you'll start to see some of that dendritic growth that we're trying to get. So let's go ahead and put the negative one on first. So now we should have.
I'm not sure it's in, but it's
we should have.
Should.
This should be a keyword. Oh wait, get out.
there something happening? Oh yeah, I think there's something happening.
Yeah, let's zoom in.
Negative.
Zoom in real close.
On the negative side,
On
there's
the
something
negative
happening.
pole,
There is something happening on
you
the
can
negative.
see
That's really
it's starting to grow. Get rid of the light.
I thought this was very interesting, and right now I'm gonna pick one up and tell you guys what it feels like. Oh. That is...
Show it to me. So we made actual metallic tin out of what was there. There's a little bit of ion exchange and a little bit of borrowing from the iron head of the positive alligator clip, and we're able to turn tin that was in solution into metallic tin. And
Right now, this kind of feels like wet aluminum foil.
yeah, it's definitely not very thick. Let's put it that way.
Yeah.
But yeah.
I thought it was very interesting how once one drop of soap hit the solution, that it just kind of exploded. I like that.
All right, so we've got a whole bunch of these MEL chemistry and physics experiments we're going to do. If you'd like to see us do some more, please like and subscribe. Thank you. See you next time.